and chest. He has a 1200 tattoo on the back of his neck. He has the name of people from 1200 who have been murdered tattooed on his body. And in this video, you will clearly see in the evidence Mr. Davion Murphy taking full credit for his role in this shooting.
At some point, we gotta tell ourselves, what the fuck is gangster and what is mental illness? This shit is mental illness. Like, you ain't even giving yourself a chance to beat the case if you wanted to be so gangster. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers would do shit and be mentally ill, but thinking they're gangster, having it misconstrued, having everybody around you. We all know that one homeboy in the hood, super tough and everything. Niggas like, nah, that nigga crazy, that nigga stupid. That nigga retarded, he'll do this. Like, niggas be real life mentally ill. Like, and it's crazy. We gotta understand when and where to draw the line. You understand who can hang and who can't, who could be around and who won't, who understand what's right from wrong. Like, this shit is amazing. This nigga is in the fucking interrogation room. Before the case, like, motherfucker, you get interrogated. You ain't even gotta say nothing. You can just ask for the lawyer, go out the room. You feel me? But you're in an interrogation room by yourself, thinking you're by yourself, because there's always a fucking camera and you making gun noises. Mind you, boy got all his ops, or people who claim he is ops, tatted on the back of his neck. He got all mad dead niggas tatted on the back of his neck. That's not even his people. He got, you gotta understand what's mentally ill and what's gangster. What's mentally ill and what's gangster. We have to understand. We have to make sure the young black man who is mentally ill and doing radical shit gets help. You feel me? And it's up to the real gangsters to deter who's who. You understand? People who really in these streets and people who understand what goes on every day. Not speculating from the internet. You understand? But this right here, yo, take notes, bro. Everybody not gangster. Some of these niggas be slow.